Introducing South Stays, an innovative local business that takes the hassle out of renting your holiday home. Kia ora, I'm Jade, and together with my wife Carla, we are your local holiday home management specialists. We don't just rent out your property, we take care of it. And here's how. After an initial appraisal, we arrange to capture your property at its best. We list it on multiple booking channels, including all the popular sites. We bring it all together using the very best property management software, allowing you to see every incoming booking and to block out dates for your own use. We deal with all guest interactions, pre, during and post-stay. Then our cleaners come in and make your property shine for the next guests. We really do take care of everything. That includes the finances. The booking channels pay us, we deduct any expenses, then we pay you twice a month. Pretty simple, huh? We are currently looking to grow our portfolio in the Lakes District. So if you have a family crib or an investment property in Arrowtown or Lake Hayes, let's talk. For more details, visit southstays.com, or you can find us on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. We would love for you to join the South Stays family.